So here's an example of how we applied the transition engineering process with a group of students on a course a year or so ago. We looked at an example of a manufactured product, and we chose a product that everybody was familiar with, but nobody worked at the company. And we chose a global fizzy drinks company and their main product as our focus. And we went through the transition engineering process. First of all, we looked at data about the history of the company. And we know that it's a company that was founded after the Industrial Revolution. So it's important that the whole history of the company has been post-industrial. It's an industrial process. It's an industrial product. Then we looked at how the product is today. It's basically a fizzy drink sold globally. And some of the big issues include the fact that it's a global market and they are selling a product which is nearly all water globally. So they're transporting water all around the world. So that's very energy intensive. Another key thing about the product is that it's sold cold, that the coldness of the drink is part of its selling point. And refrigeration is also very energy intensive. And now you look back again at the history and you ask, why was the drink sold cold? And we know that at that time in history, to have a cold drink was a status symbol. So the reason why it's a cold drink is partly historical, because it was a status symbol. Refrigeration was expensive, and refrigeration is still energy intensive. So that was the present of the company. Then we looked at the future. Where would the company go in the product if the current trends continue? Well, we know water is a big problem globally. We know energy is a big problem globally. And it might not be possible in the future to continue selling an energy-intensive, cold, heavy product globally. Now, one interesting thing is that this product is sold not just as a drink, but as a lifestyle. So we worked out that in a better future, they could still sell the lifestyle and the image, but we then set about to work out how could they sell that lifestyle and that image and a drink without the cold temperature and without shipping water all over the world. So the two challenges that the company faces are that their product is cold and it's heavy, and both of those mean it's an energy intensive product. So our students came up with a radical new idea which still allows the company to sell the lifestyle and to sell a refreshing drink, but it's not cold and it's not sold as a drink, it's sold as a concentrated syrup, which is mixed with water at the point of sale. And this raised another interesting challenge which could have a benefit, and this is that the company would then have to get involved in ensuring that there's clean water at its outlets. But then this could mean that the money that they currently spend shipping water around the world, they could now spend on ensuring clean water is available everywhere, which is going to be a massive reflected benefit on them by helping communities. So the students came up with this idea of selling concentrated syrup re-watered locally. The amazing thing was that we came out of the classroom and immediately saw a poster from another manufacturer which has just launched a product which is a concentrated syrup which you can buy and mix with water to make a nice refreshing drink. And that shows you the power of transition engineering, because we were able to come up with this idea in one day with no preparation that other company had already come up with and decided to launch as a commercial product. So you know we can help you.